Hello friends, welcome to this podcast show I made. The host of this show used steam boiler is the perfect match for the industrial setting. It can be used to generate steam or high temperature. It is a typical combination of exhaust gas or waste heat unit. This helps to control the velocities of the boiler gases. O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Ltd is a top privately owned company that is ranked with its quality boiler distribution. They are known as Australia's largest boiler company. Visit a wide range of boilers, its services, and maintenance. Get the services in different locations such as in Victoria, New South Wales, Queensland, and Western Australia. Visit https://o'brien-energy.com.au/ to know more. That is all for today. I will be right back with another topic. Till then, stay tuned.